No, 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 not at all. But it was, and even even for aftercare, because I have peripheral neuropathy in my hands and feet, and it was very extreme when I was done.
Hmm.
And to be able to use, I was using an infused Epsom salt to soak my hands and feet in, and it would make my feet feel like normal, if only for the evening.
Gosh.
But to be able to use that instead of using gabapentin, which didn't help me, and it actually just made me very crabby and hard to be around, was a gift to be able to do that. And then, you know, then going on to working with patients and seeing the change in their demeanor, them being able to get sleep and feeling rested and not having the fog of other pharmaceuticals. Like, I can't tell you how many people I've helped, with their doctors get them off of benzodiazepines and opiates. And as we know, benzodiazepines are also addictive, and they can cause dementia later in life if you use them a lot. So it's all in all, it's been a very satisfying experience, both personally as a patient, but also as a professional. Just being able to help people, but also having the conversation that even though we create our own endogenous cannabinoids, not everybody does tolerate phytocannabinoids.
Yeah.
And that's okay, because a lot of times when we think something isn't right for us, it can't possibly be right for anybody else. And so I think that these conversations speak to a greater conversation about worrying more about what works well for us and not trying to stop other people's access if it works well for them.
It's another tool or weapon in the arsenal, really, isn't it? In the medical toolkit, should I say, that isn't,
Truly.
again, the be all and end all, but it's another direction from which to maybe approach different symptoms and diseases that for some reason is incredibly taboo.